Welcome to Gushan Zone. Today we will do numericals of our first chapter, exercise 1A. So our first numerical is the wavelength of a light of a particular color is 5800 angstrom. So first we will write given. So हमारे पास given है 5800 angstrom. Now we have to convert it in nanometer. So 5800 angstrom. Now we will write nanometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. So 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. So now we will write 10 raised to 5800 into 10 raised to power minus 10 10 raised to power 9. So is equal to 5800 into 10 raised to power minus 10 plus 9. It was minus and then it goes up there and it will become plus. So 5800 into 10 raised to power minus 1. Now we will write is equal to 5800 into 1 upon 10 to make it positive. Now 0 will be cancelled. Now our answer is 580 nanometer. In second question given 5800 angstrom in meter. So 5800 into 10 raised to power minus 10. We have used 10 raised to power minus 10 because angstrom 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Now here we'll use the order of magnitude. According to, I'm writing short form, according to order of magnitude. So now what is order of magnitude? Here we can see we have 5800. Now 5 will only point should be there. Now like these are 3, 5.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10 plus 7. Now there were 3 here, 3 digits were there. So minus 10 plus 7 we will use because here we can see that here we will use plus 3 because 3 were 3 digits from here. So here minus 10 plus 3. So our answer is 5.8 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Here I'm again telling that order of magnitude means like we have to only use point till the first digit. Now we have 1, 2, 3 digits. So here we have the value 10 raised to power minus 10. So here we will use plus 3 because we took 3 digits from here. So minus 10 plus 3, our answer is minus 7. So same here, only the point will come here. In second question we are given the size of bacteria is 1 micron. Now number of bacteria in 1 meter length we have to find it. So we know that 1 micron is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. So this we have to learn. Now it's not a formula but we will write like this: total length upon size of bacteria. So 1 upon 10 raised to power minus 6 is equal to 10 raised to power 6 is our answer. In third question we are given, first we have to write given, then the distance. So we will write d is equal to 5.6 into 10 raised to power 25 meter. Now speed s is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8. 3 into 10 raised to power 8 is the speed of light, meter per second. Now they have given hint, time taken is equal to distance traveled upon speed. This is the formula. Now we have distance and speed. We have to find the time taken. So we will use the same formula given in the hint, but it will not be given in the exam, so we have to learn this formula. Distance, you can write distance traveled, speed is equal to 5.6. Write the same value as given in the question. 5.6 into 10 raised to power 25 upon 3 into 10 raised to power 8. Now we don't have to remove the point. First we will solve. Now here we can see we have 5.6. Now this 10 raised to power 8 will go up and minus 8. This positive will become negative. Now 25 minus 8, 17. So this will also get divided by it. 3 will divide it. So here was the point. 24, 2, 0, 6. So it will be now recurring. Now here we can see 1.86. Now we will write 1.86 into 10 raised to power 17 seconds. So here I use second because we have to find the time, and time as a unit is second. Now you will be thinking that answer is in 1.87 into 10. So why I have used 1.86. I have not used it, but it got from the calculation we got this answer. So we can see we'll again write 1.86, then 18, then again. So I did the round off, and our answer was is equal to 1.87. It become 1.87 into 10 raised to the 17 second. You can write round off here by doing round off. Now coming to the fourth question, given we are given wavelength of light. We will write wavelength of light is equal to 589 nanometer. Now what is the wavelength in angstrom? So here we can see that how I got the answer. Now 589 nanometer. So we have to convert it in angstrom. So angstrom is equal to 10 raised to the minus 10. So we did 589. We were given the wavelength of light was 589 nanometer. 589 into 10. Our answer is 5890. Now you must be thinking why I have not written minus 10. Now because we will use angstrom is equal to 10 raised to bar. First we will write this. I did it in short form first. Now I will show you how did I did it. Now 10 raised to bar minus 10 upon 10 raised to bar 9 minus 9. So our answer is 589 into 10 raised to bar. So you got the same answer. So our answer is 589, 5890 angstrom, 5890. In question number 5, first we will write given. Now the mass of an oxygen atom is 16.00 micron. So we will write mass of an oxygen atom is equal to 16.00 micron. Sorry, identified mass. So now find its mass in kg. Mass in kg. Now in book they have given here. Here we can see that one identified mass is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to the minus 27 kg on page number 8. So we know this. So we will write, we have to learn it. One identified mass is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to the minus 27. It's not the same answer, it's only the example. Now we have to find of 16. So we'll use the unitary method. Now 16 identified mass is equal to 16 into 1.66 into 10 raised to the minus 27. Now doing multiplication, we got 26.56 into 10 raised to the minus 27 kg. Now in book the answer is 2.656 into 10 raised to the minus 26. Now here I can see that I am not here it is minus 27, and here a point is there in the answer. Now I have told you in second or third question that we will use the order of magnitude. I told you that the point will go to in the first place, the first. Now, so we will get 2.656 into 10 raised to minus 27. Now, this point will come here, 10 raised to bar 1. Now, 2.656 into 10 raised to bar 27 minus 1. This plus will get negative, so our answer will be, this is minus, then our answer is 2.656 into 10 raised to bar 26 kg minus 27. Answer. Now, in sixth question, we are given it takes time 8 minutes. So, time is equal to 8 minutes for light to reach from the sun to the earth's surface. If speed of light is taken to be 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, find the distance from sun to the earth in kilometer. So, the speed is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So, have you seen here, it is minute and it is in second. So, the time is not in its standard form. So, we will convert minute in second. Now, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here, second is there, so that's why we are converting it. So, 8 minute it into 60 is equal to 480 seconds. So, this is our new time. Now, we'll use the formula. Distance is equal to time into speed. You can write in full form distance. I have written in this. Distance is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 into 480 seconds. Now, our answer will be 3 into 480. We get 1440 into 10 raised to power 8. Now, this we have got. Now, they have said that convert in kilometer. At last, they have said that the distance from the sun to earth in kilometer, we have to find in kilometer. So, we know 10 raised to power 3. Now, distance is equal to 1440 into 10 raised to power 8 upon 10 raised to power 3. Now, distance is equal to 1440 into 10 raised to power 8 minus 3. This positive will go up and then it will become negative. Now, distance is equal to 1440 into 10 raised to power 5. Now, what we have to do is, we have to use the order of magnitude. Order of magnitude. Now, as I said you, the point will be after the first digit. So, we'll use the point here. So, after point, there are 3 digits. So, it will be added with it. 10 raised to power 5 plus 3 because of that 3 digits. Now, our answer is 1.44. You can write 0, but in answer it is given like this, kilometer. So, this is our answer of 6th question. In question number 7, time is equal to 8.33 minutes. Speed is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Now, you will be thinking that we don't know the speed over here. How can you write this? Now, here in the question they have said the distance of a star from the earth is 8.33 light minutes. What do you mean by this statement? Now, the distance of a star. So, our star will be sun. Now, it takes how much speed for light to reach the earth? Speed is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Now, here we can see that minute is not the standard form of time, SI unit, or we can say SI unit of time is second. So that's why we will convert 8.33 into second. Now 8.33 into 60, 1 second. Our answer is 499.8 second. You can do it. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 is our speed, and 499.8 is our time. Now by doing this 3 into 499.8, we get this into 10 raised to power 11. Now you will be thinking that why did I write 11 over here? I use the order of magnitude. You can also do it by this calculation. We'll get 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11. Like same did I did it in 6th question, that we use the order of magnitude. Here was 8, then we plus 3 because of that 3 digits, and then we got our answer 10 raised to power 11. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share for part 2.